The next one is how you have to do the page setting. What UKM require you to do. This is what UKM require. I'm not telling you that you have to do this. UKM says that starting from your chapter 1 until your last chapter, which is conclusion, your page settings should be like this. The first page of every chapter must have spacing from top of 50 mm or 5 cm. And then uh, from the bottom, it has to be 2.5 cm or 25 mm. And on your right hand side, also 2.5 mm or 25 mm or 2.5 cm. So I just don't want to make you confused. Just remember 10 mm is equal to 1 cm. Now it depends on your PC whether it is showing you the measurements in mm, in cm, or in inches, so that you have to convert. That is another step. But when I will come to that point, then I will tell you about this. So the right hand side have to have 25 mm and left hand side have to have 38 mm. But this is the case of the first page of every chapter, not all the pages in your chapter. How about the settings that we are going to do? This is, you can take a screenshot as well, or you will receive the slide, so you don't have to take screenshot. You just have to remember these settings. Very simple one. We are not going to work with UKM settings, this one 50, 25, 25 and 38. We will do settings in a different way, and automatically our template will adjust which is required for the first page, what is required for the hardcover page, what is required for the title page. But you just have to do this one. Forget about all other measurements. For you, page setting is only these settings. The top margin must be 3 cm, bottom 2.5 cm, left 3.8, and right 2.5. Okay, you might have a question. Why I'm saying to put 3 on top, whereas UKM is asking 50 mm or 5 cm? Yes, because the first page UKM is saying you to have 5 cm, but subsequent pages must have to be 3 cm. So we are going to fix here the least size of our pages we required, and then the rest of the settings our template will do automatically for us. So make your job easy. You don't have to play around and split your chapter 1, chapter 2 separate, chapter 3 separate, your documents, your preliminary pages separate, title pages separate. No, you don't have to. Just follow this page settings, and everything will be automatically set. So this is the one, 3 cm at top, bottom 2.5, left 3.8, and right 2.5. And then make sure you choose portrait. You don't have to choose landscape. Make sure. And another option, whole document. Right now we have only one page, so it's automatically whole document. Next tab when you will click is the paper. You have to choose the paper which has to be A4. Don't use any other page size. You can want your thesis to be on A4, and this setting is according to that. Some of you who are from Arab countries, by default, you might have legal page in your setting. So you just have to change legal or letter to A4. And then the next one is layout. In the layout, two things you have to care about: header and footer. Header must be 1.5 cm, and footer by default is written there 1.25, or maybe in some of your PC it will be written 1.27. Doesn't matter. Whatever it is, as long as it is less than 1.5, leave footer as it is. But make sure header you have to change. Header must be 1.5. Footer, no problem, 1.25 or 1.27. And afterward, just click OK. Once we click OK, our page is already fixed. When our page is fixed, you make sure you save your file.